Hey, it's Emily from Life's So Savory, and today I'm going to show you how to download free patterns and access them in your account. So first you want to find the post that has the free pattern in it you want, scroll past all the fun photos and the pinnable image and the introduction to the pattern. Usually as you go down you will see lots of information including fabric and other information that you will need, and then a supply list. Around the supply list and at the beginning of the instructions you will see a button that either looks like this red button here that says download the free shorts pattern, or this text that says download and print, or this graphic which I used a few years ago, which has a picture of the pattern that you want, an arrow, and says download and print here. So those are the three things that you may see to download the pattern. The newest ones will have this button, so go ahead and click the button and it will take you to the shop listing. You'll know you're in the shop because it says product at the top, and also you can see in the breadcrumbs at the top that you are in the shop. You'll see some reviews, information, and also a link back to the tutorial if you want to go back and get all that information for putting it together, and then an add to the cart button. So to buy it, you will add it to your cart. You can continue shopping and adding other things to your cart, or you can click the button that says view cart to buy that pattern. So view cart, and then you will see all the items that you have added to your cart. So it may be free, they may cost you a few dollars, whatever items you've added. If you're ready to check out, you'll go ahead and hit the proceed to checkout button. From there, you'll add your personal information. You will only be asked for money if it's a paid pattern. Otherwise, just your information so that I can have that. And then you will see the total cost, and you can go ahead and place your order when you're ready. From there, you'll get your order confirmation, and you will get a link to download this pattern right in this confirmation. So this download link will actually take you right to the pattern. Under the product, you will go back to that shop listing. But once you hit the download, it'll open up a dialog box on your computer and ask you where you want to save it. So just save it wherever you save your patterns. I have a pattern folder where I save all my patterns, and once you've saved that, it will then open up with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't have that, that's a free download online and you can grab that. If you want to go back to the product, maybe you need the tutorial, how do I actually sew this? Then you can go back to the product and hit that, find the tutorial there. You can also find the download right on this email. You will also get an email to your inbox that will also have that download and product link. So go ahead and go over to your inbox, refresh if necessary, and you'll see an email from me, Emily, that will say your order is now complete. Again, there's the product information, and then there's also the download information, and the download will open up the PDF. The order product or the item will take you back to my shop. If you don't see it, please check your junk or your spam mail. It may have gone there, and add me to the safe list. So here is the product that will open up as a PDF on your computer. You can get back to the tutorial using the link in the PDF, right like that, and there's the instructions that you will need in order to sew. If you've already purchased and want to see your other things, go under Shop to your account and log in anytime you want. You can access all your orders and your downloads right in your account and be able to re-download those whenever you are looking for them. Just view your order, and then it'll show you, oh, there's the product, there's the download. I can go ahead and click that and re-download it, or I can go back to the product and see that in my shop. And you can have access to all those downloads anytime you want.